Good morning guys, happy Friday everyone. So today I'm here with you to discuss the flossing, and I wanted to share my flossing technique. So hopefully that will help you to take care of your teeth and keep your teeth healthy. So I have my two friends, Big Dexter and Little Dexter, they'll be helping me today. So flossing. You can take a little thread. We're gonna use the middle fingers. So you wrap your thread around one middle finger, and then the remaining portion you wrap around the other one, so that you have the other two fingers available. And that's how we floss. So what you do is you go around each tooth and you do the hugging of each tooth. So you put it in, then you do the C shape, you go up and down, and then you go to the other neighboring tooth, up and down, and then you go each tooth up and down, and then hug its neighboring tooth, and then the C shape up and down. Now, for people who have bridges, like little Dexter over here, you see how he's missing a tooth right there, and then he's got a bridge to cover that missing space. So that bridge is connected, so you cannot floss right in between. But we have an option in there as well. So there is such a thing that's called threaded floss. It comes with a string and a little hard plastic part. So all you gotta do is put the hard plastic part first, right in between the teeth, and then do the same motion, hugging motion. You hug one tooth, you jump right underneath that pontic, that fake tooth, and then you hug another tooth, and then you pull it through. That's how you keep your bridge clean. For people who are having hard time with the threaded floss, there is another option yet available, the proxy brush. The proxy brush, all you gotta do, you can bend it a little bit if that's necessary, and then you just go with the proxy brush right underneath the bridge. Okay, the only thing I would like to note is the proxy brush, you gotta be careful with that. You gotta be gentle to your gums, because if you're jamming it in too much, it might damage your gum, it might cause bleeding of your gums. So be gentle and be healthy. Have a great day, everyone.